Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And here's a super easy idea for a coffee table in your dollhouse. As you can see, it's lifted off the floor so it has legs. And all it is a $1 plus compact mirror that I got at one of the dollar power stores. That's all it is. It's a mirror, but it's a beautiful mirror. But I decided to not use it in my purse. I decided to make a table out of it. So I stuck these 4 magnets on it, and I made a nice coffee table. Look at that. That's all it is. So if you have one of these or something similar, a compact mirror, and it doesn't have to be metal, it doesn't have to be magnetic, because if you find 4 legs, anything that can make 4 legs, you can always glue it to your compact mirror. But I happen to have those magnets, so they were perfect for it. So this is my little coffee table for one of the rooms in my dollhouses. Then I have this little clear ball that's also magnetic, has a little magnet there, so I can place it right on top and it doesn't even fall off. So that's all that is. I hope you like this coffee table, and I thank you for watching.